Hey guys, it is Saturday morning here in the Philippines, and I am going to review a Mini GT GTR Miho exclusive, which is a USA exclusive, but we're not unboxing it. The reason being, this is the only one I have, and we can see the car without having to unbox the Miho since they're in a clamshell, as you can see here. This is the blue one I was telling you about. This is one of the rare blue ones that were released at the version 2 kit with a Type 3 wing. And anyways, I may have a few more of these by the time I go back to the States to resell on eBay and Instagram and Facebook and so forth. So if you need one, let me know in the comments. I probably can get 3 or 4 more of them. That's why I'm not quite opening this one yet, because I don't have enough yet, and I want to keep this one in the clamshell for the new owner, whoever that may be, once I get back to the States. So we're going to keep it mint sealed for now, but if I do acquire 4 or 5 of them, then I will open one, because it doesn't really matter because it's in the box and stuff. The only thing that happens is, like, when you open these Miho exclusives and you take the box out, the box does not have the TSM holographic sticker on the back of the box. That holographic sticker they put on the back of the blister pack card, which you could take that off and like cut it out and glue it to the back of your box, or you could just keep it with the box or something like that. To me, it was never that big of a deal. When I was collecting all of them, I just threw away the clamshells and kept the box. That's all I did. So anyways, that's what happens when you open them. The box does not have that licensing holographic sticker from TSM model. But anyways, this is your Mini GT LBWK LB Works Nissan GTR LB Works Livery 2.0 in blue. This is a very popular livery. There's a black one that is very popular and high in demand. It is the Japan Toy Store exclusive. I think it's number 75, and it's black. It has the version 1 kit with the high wing, and that is very desirable nowadays. And it was very hard for me to obtain when I was collecting all of them. And then there was a white one with the Silhouette Works kit, I believe, that has this LBWK Livery 2.0 with that stripe that goes around. It's kind of like a diagonal wrap type of thing. I like how I always call them, like the nose bands or something like that for the Camaros. Well, this is like a mid-body band, and it's kind of diagonal, and it is on that Livery 2.0 paint job, which is pretty sweet. As you can see on the box and stuff, and you can see on the car. Pretty cool. And anyways, on the other part of the box, you have LB Liberty Walk, and on this side you have Mini GT TSM model. On the bottom side you have the warning, choking hazard, and your age recommendation, because it is a collector model. On the top side you just have your collector number 135. Then what would have been on the back side of the box is the licensing, the TSM holographic sticker, and then your licensing for like Nissan and so forth, and where to find Mini GT online and on Facebook and on Twitter. This is once again another one before they started their IG account. And then you have your UPC code, which would have been on the back of the box. It states it's LB Works Nissan GTR R35 Type 2 rear wing version 3 blue LB Work Livery 2.0 LHD, so it is a left-hand drive. So that's what you would have found on the back of the box, which is still on the back of the box. The only thing that is not on the back of the box is your holographic sticker. This also has some more special, I guess, marketing stuff, I would call it. M&J Toys, Miho exclusives, and distributed by M&J, and where to find M&J Miho Toys on Facebook, Instagram, and on their website. So, pretty cool. And the box itself is pretty cool, or the blister pack. The background with the black, with the blue stripes, and the LBWK and the white and gray looks pretty nice. And you have your Mini GT, Miho exclusive, and USA exclusive there. Now, taking a look at the car, It does have rubber mirrors, which we can't see how durable they are, but what I remember having this out of the box, they're pretty durable. You can see the rear wing mounts kind of like an IndyCar style wing. And it does have red acrylic tail light lenses as usual. Silver trimmed exhaust tips. And as you can see, it does have the wide side skirts on it. That's something that is with the version 2 kit. And the side skirts cut up into the front flare. It does have a carbon fiber insert on the front flare. And this doesn't have a carbon hood or roof insert, but it has black. They're not painted carbon fiber. They are actually painted like a semi-gloss black. On the top of the wing, you can see the LB Performance. It does have acrylic headlight lenses, nicely detailed grille and intercooler. And yes, it is metal on metal. It is held together by button head Phillips screws, so you can wheel swap it very easily if you wanted to. And it does have the typical Forgiato wheels on it that the version 1 kit always came with, and the version 2 kit. They didn't really start switching it up until the Silhouette kits, although a couple of the version 1 kits have those like 5-hole style wheels. There's a gloss black one with actually both version 1 and version 2 wings on it. It has a ducktail and a high wing. It's a very sweet looking car, and it has copper wheels. And then another one that we're going to be doing an unboxing on here probably in the next week or so is the Magic Pearl. And the Magic Pearl has those 5-hole wheels on it. We'll take a look at them. But 90% of the version 1 and version 2 body kits have the black Forgiato wheels, or they have like a chrome-lipped black Forgiato wheel. There's a couple of them that have colored Forgiato wheels, but not many. So that is the typical wheel you will see on the LBWK Mini GT GTRs. The version 1s and 2s have these Forgiato style wheels. So that's it, guys, for this one here. Maybe later on we will unbox one for you guys. And I think I have done one in the past, but it was the regular, like, international release in the box. This is your Miho exclusive release, which is the exact same thing, just it's in a blister pack, and the box coloring is different. It's like reversed. On the other one, it's like white up here and black on the bottom. So that's the only difference, really. So hope you enjoyed the information. Hope you enjoyed a look at this. And as I said, if you're in the States and you're going to need one of these, hit me up, because I will be back probably in April, maybe May, and I will have at least this one, maybe a few more, depending how many people need them. And we're going to be taking a look at another one that I did buy a few of next week. And then let me know if you need them, because I still have access to them. That is the Bree GTR. We'll take a look at it next week. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your weekend, and we will be back sometime next week.